Here, let's see the number 2.863. And there are three things we need to know to transfer it into a fraction. Here the number 2 is an integer which is before the point. Here we can see they are two dots over the number 6 and 3 because they are the frequent part of this decimal number. Let me clear the confusion. Take a calculator and divide 1 by 6. The answer is 0.16666666 and so on. Here if you see, after this point 6 keeps repeating but 1 doesn't. That means 6 is the frequent part of this decimal number and 1 is the infrequent number. So, in this number 2.863 the frequent part is 6 and 3. And the infrequent part is 8. Now, to transform it into a fraction we will just do 3 steps. Firstly, in the upper section, we have to write the whole number without the point, 2863, then subtract 28 from it. It's because we have to subtract the number except the frequent part, 63 from the whole number. So, the upper part is 2863 minus 28 equals to 2835. And in the lower part, we will write 2 nines because there are two frequent numbers 6 and 3. And we will also have to write 1 0 because there is only one infrequent number. And if there is no infrequent number, we will not write any 0. So, finally the fraction of 2.863 is 2835 divided by 990. We can simplify it by dividing the upper and lower part by 9. So, we get 315 by 110. And you can do the same thing to transform any decimal number to fraction.